just mentioned one thing, okay? In order to qualify, be qualified to use Schedule C, is your business, must your business register with some government agency? Let me repeat, okay? In order to use Schedule C, do you have to register your business with some government? Not really. Not really, okay. But usually for reality, not for tax, okay. In reality, you just go to the county, because don't forget, this is not corporation, right? This is not, if corporation, we don't use Schedule C. This is not LLC, not corporation, not partnership. This is only for yourself. So there's no tax law require you to register, okay, for tax purposes. However, for business purposes, usually we go to county to file. It's called a fictitious business name. It's only 30-something, okay, good for 5 years. So 30-something, good for 5 years. So you use the business name, okay, and go to the bank, open out your checking account, business checking account. Even though the tax ID, they are all under your personal Social Security number, could be, okay, assuming you don't hire any employee, you don't pay employment tax, you just go ahead to county, go to county to file the fictitious business name. That's all. Okay. Any questions? Yes.
Yeah. So you say if you start a new business and do research or spend some money, and but on that year you don't know whether it can become a true business or not. We'll report on that year, or you wait for 5 years?
No, you can't wait. Okay.
Go back.
Yeah, very good question. So if I spend something for this year, but for this year is my first year, so I don't have any income. So that's why I cannot, for this year I cannot report Schedule C. But I spent $2,000 already, right? Hopefully not for your dresses, okay? Not for shoes, for something else, okay? Okay, because you cannot report that, same thing you cannot report for next year. Because this is a topic related to someone, you choose your topic, tax year. Why do we have tax year? Because for tax year, it's 12 months, right? Your expenses can only stay during these 12 months. You cannot use these expenses for next tax year. So if this happened to you, these $2,000 become your startup expenses. Hopefully become your startup expenses. If it is not qualified as a startup, it becomes your basis. $2,000 become your business cost. Only upon one day you sell this business, you can deduct. Otherwise, you can never. It's gone. Understand? So usually, startup expenses is a huge topic. So that is the reason why we say tax planning, right? So it doesn't matter how tough it is, you want to create $1. That's kind of joke, but you want to create somehow the business income for your first year. Otherwise, you wait. Understand? So let me repeat again. It's very, very, very important to talk about tax years, because there are 12 months for any tax year. You can only deduct your business expenses during these 12 months. So in case you predict you will not generate business income, then you wait. You don't want to start out for this year. Otherwise, whatever the money you spend cannot become business expense for this year, because you don't have income, and you cannot deduct next year because it's a different tax year. And this money you spend become your business cost. That's worst, because you may never sell your business. You may never sell it. So again, one purpose for this class is for the tax planning. So for those of you ever plan to start your own business, number one, try your best, create somehow business income. Otherwise, you don't have business expenses. Number two, if you predict already impossible to create any business income for the first tax year, you wait. You wait. Otherwise, for the first year, you don't have income and you spend the money you spend is gone, almost gone, for tax purposes. For financial statement, you can report it, but who cares about your financial statement, right? Yeah.
So if a new business making some small money, So I will